Man, new shoe pickup. What's going on? I don't know anything about intros to videos, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. New shoe pickup, Dunk Low Retro Avocado. If you know, then you know that they're for women. So these obviously aren't for me, they're for my wife. But if I do see a pair that I can fit, hopefully I can get me a pair. But I like them. Hopefully she likes them. But I like the color. It kind of mimics the color of an actual avocado on the exterior and on the interior. I don't know if that's the proper term or not because I'm not a big sneakerhead, but if you are, I'm sorry. My apologies. I just like to get shoes that I like. But anyway, here's the nutrition facts of I think of an actual avocado. 1 cup slice, and it includes all of that on there. So that's a pretty cool little thing. And it gives you the recipe for an avocado smoothie. And it has this avocado decal on here. Product of Nike, Beaverton, Oregon. And then on the other one, it actually includes this sack thing. I want to say it's a shopping bag, but it's like this mesh netting. So it's pretty cool. You can put your shoes in there. Put them in there. Hold on. Get it out the way. So yeah, you can put your shoes in there in this little Nike avocado mesh shopping sack, or if you want to go to your local farmer market, get you some fresh fruits and veggies, some natural soap. I commend you, but you can bring your sack with you while you're shopping in your Nike Dunk avocado lows. But yeah, I really like them. I saw some other videos where people was sanding them and things like that to get to that bottom color, but I'm not gonna do all of that. But the shoes, like I said, they're for women. I got them for my wife. Hopefully I can find me a pair, but these was I don't know if it was a sneakers thing or just straight on Nike. I want to say it was just straight on Nike. Selected her size and got them, picked them up. I think it was like $100, if that. But I'll also include some close-up videos of them. But yeah, new shoe pickup this week. Hopefully can get me a pair. I have the Dunk Low and the highs, the black and white pandas. You know, like everybody, they keep restocking them. But I'm still gonna wear mine because I don't care. But yeah, Dunky Avocado, quick review. If you see them, I feel like you should get them. But appreciate you watching this video. Like, subscribe, do all of that good stuff. I don't have an intro, nor do I have a good outro. So I'm just going to get into it and I'm going to get straight out of it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.